Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more congenial type of digital currency that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image, History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the cryptographic money market as expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other digital forms of money are planned to the point that they have a hard inventory cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin's cost has gigantic potential. With the sort of popularity rising, Dogecoin's presence is huge contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no extraordinary preparation. Well disposed to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Stowing your Dogecoin is currently simple. In this way, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the prevalence and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced money's dynamic and firm worth wins around an atmosphere of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. A Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most significant level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin's specialized investigation, notwithstanding the historical backdrop of tempests and tornadoes in the digital currency market, there is a fair future. Notwithstanding, nothing can be sure in the cryptographic money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost gauge comes into the image. Dogecoin's complete market cap is exchanging around $10,795,171,570 and is presently the 8th greatest advanced cash on the planet. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin is around 8 cents, with an exchanging volume of $354,383,286. The ongoing stockpile is at 132,670,764,300 Doge, while the all-out circling supply is 132,670,764,300. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a tremendous change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted a huge fall over the long haul. Be that as it may, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have stamped radical changes as of late. The Doge cost developed over 100% in 7 days. The Doge's cost penniless the quick opposition with practically no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the pivotal opposition of 16 cents, however fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin value began to exchange beneath the opposition. Specialized pointers recommend that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will VON 14.6 update affect Doge's cost? As indicated by our investigation and Doge forecasts, the cost of Doge might not have an extremely impressive impact because of the VON 14.6 redesign. The redesign most certainly has gotten a ton of enhancements its organization and biological system. Yet the cost remained in a similar reach as it was before. As of late, the cost saw a colossal ascent. However, that was more a direct result of Elon Musk's help for Twitter and his Twitter takeover. The majority of the overhauls in the organization or environment can impact the cost for the present moment and not the long haul. The most that influence the Doge's cost are the market feelings and the most recent news. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on numerous events. Elon Musk's consistent help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been useful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter and for sure. As indicated by the examination, Doge's cost will support in the event that the hypotheses work out. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most outstanding crypto resources. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise venture. Dogecoin could be one of a handful of the cryptographic forms of money fit for being utilized as a practical cash instead of just as a speculative resource. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin cost to be around 7 cents in 2023. Though the specialized examination and Dogecoin value forecast of advanced coin costs propose that the coin will go up to 21 cents in 2023. Dogecoin forecast 2023. According to the market opinion and future cost activity, the most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 25 cents. though the normal cost may be 19 cents and the base cost may be 12 cents in view of our cost forecast. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin Expectations 2024. According to the Doge Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be 23 cents in 2024, while Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 18 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents, while the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin cost expectation, it might hit a greatest cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A huge meeting is normal in Dogecoin's cost over time. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin cost forecast, it might hit a greatest cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A gigantic meeting is normal in Dogecoin's cost over time. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2027. As indicated by our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the greatest worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents, running against the norm. The typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. Indeed, even in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029, while the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. In light of our Dogecoin cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents, with a nice rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen essentially constantly 2030. Dogecoin is preparing to break out above $1. I accept #Doge will get to $1 later on. This will consequently acquaint more than 200 million clients with #Doge, giving them motivation to involve it and increasing the value of the digital currency in general. It can't be disregarded the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a proper inflationary money, which makes it inseparable from genuine government-issued money. This novel trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to store substantial resources and bank on